The Mapme reporting feature tracks many of the ways users interact with your map. From visits and marker clicks to image views and map shares, all of these actions are automatically captured in reports. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to create an overview report that shows all of these actions. To get started, go to the Explore tab in Google Analytics. Click the plus sign at the top to create a blank report. Choose the date range you want to analyze. Next, add the Mapme dimensions. Go to the Custom tab and select all the Mapme dimensions. Then click Confirm. Now add the metrics. Open the Event section, select Event Count, and click Confirm. Add the Mapme Actions dimension to the Rows section. This gives you a list of all tracked interactions. Here's a tip. Increase the number of rows to 50 so you can see the full list of actions. Add Event Count to the Values section. This shows how many times each action occurred. At this point, your report should display a list of Mapme actions on the left and the number of times they happened on the right. If you need help interpreting the actions, check the link in the description for the full nomenclature list. Give this setup a try, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out through the chat.